Hi students, welcome to Jayadev Academy. My name is Kumar. Now we are discussing a mathematics subject. Okay, so see, in the previous class I discussed about all the concepts related to the solving problems. I explain how to take degree values to radian and radian to degree, and also I explain how to write equations and how to convert one angle to another angle. I explained if the angle is given more than 90 degrees and how we get the values, and also I give some important formulas in the previous class. So this class and upcoming classes we are going to discuss only problem solving session, right? So the mathematics is completely solving problems, right? So that's why we are going to solve the different problems, okay, different methods also. So let's come to the problems. So take one problem. Take first problem. Take problem 1. 3 sine pi by 6 secant pi by 3 minus 4 sine pi by 6 and cot pi by 4, which all equals to 0. Here he asking that he give the some equation and which equals to 1. He asking please prove this equation. So what we have to do? For that we have to do, take this is as the left hand side, right? So take a left hand side. So what is the left hand side we have? So that is a 3 sine pi by 6 secant pi by 3 4 sine pi by 6 cot pi by 4. Okay, I need to prove which is equals to 1. RHS is nothing but 1. So what is LHS? Whatever the terms, whatever the equation which is left side to the equal, so that is the left side, and whatever the term is which is right hand side, that is the right hand side type. So see here, I already explained. So if the pi by 6 is given, we need to convert into degrees. Just convert these values. 3 sine, what is pi by 6? Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees. Secant, what is pi by 3? Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. Minus 4. See, pi by 6. Pi by 6, what is the value? 30. So 5 into 30, what? 150. So sine 150 degrees and cot pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. Sir, how is this you converted? Okay, just take a concept. This is the concept word. Now I am converting. So pi by 6. I will not I will not write again. Okay, this is the last time. So you have to remember it. See, this is 30. 6 30. Right? So pi by 3. Pi by 3, 180, pi and 180, and this is 3, and we got 60 degrees. Right? This is 6 ones are 6 60s. Again 5 pi by 3, 5 pi by 6, sorry. So 5 into 180 divided by 6, 6 30s, and 5 3s are 150. Similarly, pi by 4, 180 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16, 2 is there, 45. So the answer is 45 degrees. See here, okay? So now what we should do? See, this is sine 150. I need to convert sine 150. So I need to convert sine 150 as sine 150. How I can write sine 150? So sine 90 plus 60. Okay? See, which quadrant 90 plus 60 is? 90 plus 60 is in second quadrant. So what are the values positive in second quadrant? Right? So this is the 90 plus 60. So this is the sine. Sine is a positive in the second quadrant. So this is a plus. So this is odd. So sine can be changed to cos 60. Okay? Now write the equation right now. See, I am writing this equation like this. Sine 30. What is secant? Secant is nothing but 1 by cos 60 minus 4. What is sine 150? Sine 150 I can written as cos 60. So actually, why I am converting this into cos and I am writing this cot as a 1 by tan 45. Because I said it is enough to know the values from sine, cos, tan. If you know those values, then we can transform into cos and tan every time. See, now write the values. Now write the values. Now write the values. So what is the sine 30? Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. What is the 1 by cos 60? Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay? Minus 4. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And what is the value of tan 45 is 1. Now see, now we have to do cancellation. This 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 will cancel, and 2 1s are and 2 2s are. Let's get the value. So this is a 3 and this is minus 2. This is minus 2 and finally, okay, not like that. This is, we get this value is 3 and we get this value is 2 and finally we get answer is 1. So this is LHS, right? What is RHS? 1. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. So this is proved. This is proved. Okay? Hope you understand, right? Please write it down. So like this, we have to solve the problems. We have to solve every problem. If you know the equations, if you know the formula, and if you know the values, and if you know how to convert radians to degree and degrees to radians, if you know these 3 steps, it is very easy to solve any problem in trigonometric functions. Okay? Let's come next problem. Find the value of next. Find the value of sine 15. Sine 15 value enta kanukomantunnaru. So I can write sine 15. I can write sine 15 like this. How I can write 90 minus 75, right? If I write 95 minus 75, 580. Okay, we will get it. If I write 90 minus 75, what I will get? Actually, in our coordinate, so how we can? If you, so this is the sign, right? This is sin 90 minus 75. Okay, see first. So this 90 minus 75 is not in our coordinate system. I explained one coordinate system to remember the values of sine and finding the values are more than 90 degrees. We don't have this value 90 minus 75 or 90 plus 75. Okay, but how we can write this? I already explained one formula. What is that formula? Sin A minus B. Okay, I explained one formula, that is, okay, I am writing here sin A minus B. What is sin A minus B? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is the formula. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. See here. See, write it. Write it in the form of that equation. See, sin A cos B, take this is as A and this is as B, right? Minus, next, sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Okay, up to here is okay. Now come to the values. See here, sin 90 is, we have the value of sin 90. But do we have the value of sin 75? Think about it. No, we don't have. Sin 75 has value. If you type it in calculator, we get it. But by solving by hand, we don't know. We didn't study about the sin 75. Sorry, cos 75. Similarly, here also we have the cos 90 is okay. But what is the value of sin 75? No, we don't know. Then what we have to do? So the thing is here we take we took the this angle transformation is wrong. We shouldn't take like this. Why? Because sin 75 values we don't have, so that's why we did not write the equation in the form of 75, 15, 65, 55 like that. So then how I can write the equation sin 15? Think about how I can write a 15. In our availability values 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Think about it. How we can write? See here. So see here. 45 minus 30. How much? It is 15. Right? And see, 65 minus 45. How much? See, 65. Sorry, 60. What? 60 minus 45. See, 60 minus 45. 10, 5, 5. 6, 5, 1. This is also 50. So the thing is, if you take 90 minus 45, you will not get a 15. You will get more than like a 25, like 35, like that. If you take 60, 30, you will get 30. That is also not correct. So what values we can take? If you wanted to take 45, 30 equals to 50, or 60 minus 45 equals to 15. Let's take two examples and then find the value is equal or not. Okay, hope you understand. So that's why I am removing this part. So why I explained, because we should not do like this. We should not write this one. What is this? This angle in the terms of 5, 50, 25, 35, 50 like this, because we don't have these values. We have to write this given angle in the terms of 0 to 90. Hope you understand, right? So let's take, I am taking this value as sine 45 minus 30. See here, if I not mention degrees, this means is degree. Okay, because I am not mentioning, okay, don't worry. So write sine A plus B. So this is like A, this is B. So use this equation, use this sine A plus B equation and write it. Write it. Sine A cos B minus cos A and sine B. Now we know the values, right? We know the sine, cos, tan values from 0 to 90 degrees. Let's write the values. What is the sine 45? 1 by root 2. What is the cos 30? Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 minus, you can write this is into, cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. And what is the value of sine 30? This is 1 by 2. See here, we got here, see here, we got the value root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now take these values and we get LCM, take LCM, 2 root 2 and we get 3 minus 1. So what is this? This is the value of sine of 15 degrees. Okay? Hope you understand. This is a root 2. Okay, this is root 2. Okay, this is a root 2. Remove this. Okay, sorry. This is 2 root 2. Sir, okay. Here you took the value 45 minus 30. So this is 15. So what happens if you take 60 minus 45? Let's check. Okay. You have to be clear in your mind. Whatever you think. Because students are not all students are equal in the class. First of all, that is the main thing. Okay. Some people have grasping knowledge immediately, but some people are not having, it will take some time to grasping knowledge. And some people, if they write a notebook and read, then only they can remember. And some people, they learn every day, then only they can remember. Okay? And the fourth category. And see here, if some people can take 45 minus 30 and 15. So they will write this equation, they will get like this. But if any people look into his book, array, this person is taking 45 minus 30 degrees. Array, I am not taking this one, I took this one. So did I get the same answer? They will feel like that. No, you will get it. Whatever you're thinking, if you have the knowledge of the concept based on this trigonometric functions, what I explained previously, if you have the knowledge, whatever you're thinking is correct. Some people thinking 15 is like this. Some people can think 15 is like that. Whatever it is it right? Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. Sine 15. I am writing sine 15. I am writing sine 15 like this. Sine 60 minus 45. Okay. Sir, why you are not taking the coordinate table? Why? Because the coordinate table is based on 90, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta. But here we are getting 45. See here we are getting 90. So that's why we are not able to use that coordinate table here. So that's why we have to use this formula only. See here, this is also 60 minus 45. Write the equation. So sin A, take this is A, this is B, right? Sin A, sin B minus cos A and cos B. So what is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay? Sorry, root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay? And sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Minus sin 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So then make next calculate root 3 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So finally what we get? Root 3, take LCM, 2 root 2 and root 3 minus 1. If you observe it carefully, so this is okay, wait. This is the value of sin sin 50. See here, carefully observe here. If you observe the formulas, if you observe the answer is same, root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root over 2, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root over 2. See, answer is same, but taking values, the 15 in terms of the two different values are different, but you will get the answer same. That's why I am saying that if you know the concept, whatever you are thinking in your mind, it should be correct. Don't worry. And some people are doing like that, and another one is doing like that. I am not doing that. No, you will also get the answer. But you have to believe in the concept. You have to get a great knowledge on your formulas and values. Then only you will get the same answer like that. Okay? Okay, let's move to the next question. Hope you understand. I will explain the next question. Take the third question. What is the third question? Prove that cos pi by 4 plus 6 cos pi by 4 plus 6 plus cos pi by 4 minus x. Sorry, I read it as a 6, not this is x. Pi by 4 minus x, and answer is root 2 cos x. Answer is root 2 cos x. So what I do? Nothing. We have to take this value LHM and we have to prove this. Okay. Let's come to the discussion. Take LHS, left hand side. What is the value? Cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x. You already see somewhere cos a plus b, cos a minus b, right? So take the formula. Take the formula. Don't be neglected. What is cos a plus b? Cos a plus b equals to cos a cos b ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది. What is the value? Cos a plus b. So cos కాబట్టి రెండు కాస్ లో వస్తాయి. cos a cos b మైనస్ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది. sin a sin b. Okay, let's take cos a minus b. So this is in the form of cos a minus b, right? So write the equation cos a cos b. So ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ వస్తుంది అండ్ sin a and sin b. So no need to worry. You have to be read and read every day, then only you can remember it. I read a lot of times, so that's why I remember. So take this is see here, this is a and this is b. Similarly, this is a and this is b. So don't waste your time and write the question, write the answer. See, cos a cos b minus, I am writing first this one, this term, I am writing first this term, okay? Please see, I am writing first this term, okay? I am writing this term first. I am writing this one first, okay? I am writing this one. Cos a cos b, next minus sin a sin b. Okay, I completed this one. Take plus, next write this one, okay? Just remove this one, okay? Forget about it and write about this equation. Right, what is that? Cos a minus b, cos a cos b minus sin a, sorry, this is a minus, right? This is a plus. Sin a sin of b. Okay? I will write this. I will write this one here only. So sin a sin of b. Now this is this one. Okay? This is this one. Now see, so what we have the values. If I remove these brackets, okay, it will become addition. If you see carefully observe, this is sin pi by 4 sin x, okay, this is also sin pi by 4 sin x. This is a plus but this is minus. What will happen? Cancel each other. Right? Next, take, what is this? We got cos pi by 4 cos x, cos pi by 4 cos x, 2. So 2 into cos pi by 4 into cos x. Right? So what is the value of cos pi by 4? We already know pi by 4 is nothing but 2 into 1 by root 2 into cos x. So we know, so this is the answer actually. So actually this is the answer, okay? So 2 divided by, this is 1 by 2 kabatti nenu itla rasanu. Okay, I will make it clear. 2 into 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 into cos x. Actually this is the answer. But see, in the right hand side, answer is in terms of root 2. How do we convert? Cos x is there already. How do we convert? See, I already explained, root can written as 2 can written as root 2 into root 2. Similarly, here we have 2. So that's why I'm writing this 2 as a root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2 divided by root 2. So here the root 2 and cos x. So cancel each, root 2 cancel, and what we get? So we get finally root 2 cos x, which is equals to RHS. See this one. So final, what is that? So therefore LHS equals to RHS, and hence prove. Okay, so this is the way of solving any given or trigonometric function equations, right? So why so? See here, if you know that concept, if you know that this formula, I said 3 things are important. First thing, we have to know conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. Next, we have to know these formulas. Second thing is we have to know how to convert angles more than 90 degrees. And the third one, we have to know these formulas. If you know these 3 things, then trigonometry is very easy. Hope you understand, right? Okay. And okay, please note it down. So next classes we will discuss more and problems. So we will discuss different problems, and some problems will be difficult. I will explain all these things. Don't worry. And the thing is, please read formulas and read the concept and come to the class. Then only you can understand. Otherwise, you cannot understand. Okay. Thank you very much, and we will meet in the next class.